my name is Tani. I'm a yoga teacher and today I'm going to take you through the first episode of this series. So before that, there is a saying, the better you take care of your body, the better is your immunity. So your immunity will automatically boost if you take care of your body right. So in the first episode of this series, I'm going to show you 4 different things, 4 yoga, 3 yoga postures and 1 pranayam which will help you to boost your immunity. So जो 4 योगा प्रैक्टिस आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने वाली हूँ वो है उत्तानासन, विपरीत करणी, मत्स्यासन और अनुलोम विलोम प्राणायाम. So the first asana I'm going to show you for boosting your immunity is the Matsyasana. For that you have to fold your legs to Padmasana, both the legs up and completely lie down on the mat. Keep your head tilted. Now slowly try to take your right hand to the left toe and left hand to the right toe. Okay, hold it for some time. You have to hold each asana for minimum 10 counts. Keep your head tilted and hold this for 10 counts. Your breathing should be normal. You are just holding the posture, not your breath. So constantly breathe in normally, and now slowly you have to release your legs in the same posture. Do not get up straight. Now slowly moving on to the next asana. This is the Viparita Karani Asana. For that you have to keep your legs 90 degree straight to the wall. Take the support of the wall. Keep your hands shoulder level straight. And hold it for 10 counts. Completely relax yourself. Normal breathing. Hold it for some more time. Making sure the hands are exactly straight. Your leg is 90 degrees straight to the wall. If you want, you can also extend your count to 20 counts. You can hold it for 20 to 25 counts also, but minimum being 10 counts. Now slowly release your legs from the sides and relax yourself completely. Very important to relax after this. Relax in Shavasana for some time. Completely focus on your breath as you relax and prepare yourself for the third practice. Constantly focus on your breath and relax. Now the third one is the Uttanasana. For that, inhale, hands up to the sky, and as you exhale, take your hands down. Try to touch your forehead to your knees. If you can't do that, that's completely okay. The stretch is very important. The intention is the stretch it is creating. So you have to hold. You can either hold your ankle or you can hold your legs at the back and try to touch your forehead to your knees. Hold it there for 10 counts. If in case you have back pain, then you can think of keeping your knees bent. Otherwise, you can keep it straightened and do the practice. Inhale, hands up, and exhale, hands down. Now we are going to practice the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For that, come to a comfortable seated position. Join your index finger and the thumb finger together. Keeping it above your knees, take your right hand, drop the index and the mid finger down. Use your thumb finger of the right hand to close the right nostril. Inhale from the left. Close the left with the ring and the little finger and exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right and exhale from the left. So you are inhaling from the left, exhaling from the right, again inhaling from the right and exhaling from the left. So you can practice this for 20 to 25 counts, but 10 being minimum. So left to right and right to left is 1 count. So that way you have to practice for 10. You can increase it to 15 and 20 later once you are comfortable with the pranayam. Constantly focus on your breath while doing this pranayam. Constantly focus on the flow of breath from the left to the right and from the right to the left. Keeping your back straight throughout. Your left hand is in Chin Mudra and you are practicing the Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Inhale from the left, exhale from the right. Again inhale from the right and exhale from the left. तो ये था आज का हमारा एपिसोड योगा फॉर बूस्टिंग योर इम्यूनिटी। तो ये आप अपने नेक्स्ट प्रैक्टिस में इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं और अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट हो तो नीचे कमेंट बॉक्स पे आप कमेंट कर सकते हैं। सो हमारा नेक्स्ट एपिसोड होने वाला है योगा फॉर स्ट्रेस रिलीफ। उसमें भी काफी सारे आसनास आपको दिखाए जाएंगे जो कि आपको हेल्प करेगा स्ट्रेस को कम करने के लिए। सो फॉर मोर सच इंफॉर्मेशनल, एंटरटेनिंग एंड हेल्थ रिलेटेड वीडियोस, कीप फॉलोइंग bodyandstrength.com and do follow my Instagram account, which is fit_and_fab. So see you all in my next episode. Bye bye. Namaste.